Hey, if you wonder if you can actually upload music on your HUAWEI Watch Fit SE, unfortunately you cannot do this. On this watch you can control music that is playing on your phone, so let me show you how it works. Let me open the YouTube music and I'm gonna turn on this song, and after this, when my watch is connected, I can open menu with the side button, but let me just catch the focus at the first. There we go. So I can open this side menu, and from here I can open the music, and I can control music that is playing on my phone. So I can go for the next song, for the previous song. I can play and pause music and change the volume level. So take a look. When I click pause right here, it's also stop on my phone. So okay, that's the issue with the focus, but right now we can see that from here I can tap to play and pause, and it works on both devices at the same time. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.